Welcome to AI Facts and Updates, your source for the latest AI news, updates, fascinating facts, and groundbreaking discoveries from the world of AI. Are you trying to learn faster? Whether you're a student, a professional, or a lifelong learner, AI can help you supercharge your learning process. In this video, I'll show you how artificial intelligence can make your study sessions more effective and even more fun. Let's get started. First, AI can help you summarize complex information. Imagine you have a long article or research paper to read. Instead of spending hours going through it, you can use AI tools like ChatGPT or Claude to generate a simple summary. You can also ask follow-up questions to clarify concepts you don't understand. This saves time and helps you focus on what really matters: understanding the key ideas. Let's see how this works in practice. Here's an example of using AI to summarize a long piece of text. A simple way to turn information overload into clear insights.
Here, this introduction from one of my research article. I'm just going to copy it from the introduction. And I'm creating a new one. Summarize the following text in 500 words or less. Paste it. Paste it in and hit on submit button. So all of this is in the introduction. So it is essentially about the estrogen receptor, about the breast cancer, and how we're developing drugs in order to address breast cancer. So it starts out with a brief introduction, bird's eye view about breast cancer, and is characterized by the presence of estrogen receptors, ER, including ER alpha and beta, play a critical role. Targeting both ER alpha and beta inhibitors of the breast. To address this, SERMs selected defense. I think it's reasonably good. There is a need for new systemic therapy to address this issue. Okay, it's reasonably good. I must say, it's reasonably good.
As you just saw, in just a few steps, we turned a long article into a clear summary, saving time and making the key ideas easy to grasp. But summarizing is just one of many ways AI can support your learning. It can also help you understand complex concepts in simple, accessible terms. Let's say you're learning math, science, or history. You can ask an AI tool to break down a complex topic. Just type, "Explain this like I'm 5 years old." It's a great way to turn difficult concepts into something clear and simple. This is great for self-learners and students who need extra support outside the classroom. You can even explore different viewpoints. Try asking ChatGPT, "How would a scientist explain this? How would an artist explain it? Or a child?" You'll get very different and often surprising answers. After exploring different perspectives, it's important to check your understanding. And AI can help you generate practice questions so you can reinforce what you've learned. For example, if you're studying for an exam, you can ask AI to create quizzes and flashcards based on the material you need to review. This is an excellent way to test your knowledge and strengthen your memory. Active recall is one of the most effective learning techniques, and AI can help automate this process for you. Once you've seen how artificial intelligence can help you practice and remember what you've learned, why not use it to pick up an entirely new skill? Language learning is a perfect example. Practicing conversations with AI is easy. Just type a prompt to start. For example, let's practice a conversation in Spanish. Or, correct my mistakes as we chat in French. With prompts like these, AI can simulate real-life conversations and give you instant feedback, right when you need it. But what if you want to go even further? AI can also help you think more creatively and explore ideas you might never have considered. Finally, artificial intelligence can boost your creativity and curiosity. Learning isn't just about memorizing facts. It's about exploring new ideas and thinking in new ways. You can use AI as a brainstorming partner to come up with project ideas. And once you've got a direction, why not use AI to help you bring those ideas to life with storytelling? Of course, stories come to life visually too, and AI can support your creative process there as well. And if you're just curious, AI is a great way to explore new topics and discover things you've never thought about. Try asking AI to help you outline a new YouTube video, draft an email, or even generate ideas for a passion project you've been thinking about. The more curious you are, the more you'll learn. And with AI by your side, your curiosity can take you further than ever. That's just a glimpse of what's possible. As you've seen, AI is a powerful learning assistant. Whether you want to summarize information, understand complex topics, prepare for exams, learn new languages, or boost your creativity, there's an AI tool that can help. Which of these AI learning tips did you find the most useful? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss future tips and updates. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!